metals and non-metals. We know the examples of metals like iron, aluminium, silver, copper, platinum, sodium, potassium, magnesium, copper, gold. All these are metals. So how can we identify metals and non-metal? For this we should know the physical properties of metals and non-metals. First property is metals are shiny. They are shiny appearance. They have shiny appearance, or we can say lustrous property. They have lustrous property or shiny appearance. All metals are shiny appearance. Iron, gold, silver, all are shiny. Second, metals are hard. You have seen gold, silver, they all are hard. Except sodium and potassium. These two metals are exception because they can be easily cutted with knife. Except sodium and potassium, all other metals are hard. Except sodium and potassium, they are soft in nature. They can be easily cutted with knife. Metals are solid except mercury. All metals are solid like iron, copper, and all the metals are solid except mercury. Mercury are liquid at room temperature. Okay. Next, metals produces sonorous sound. Sonorous sound means metallic sound. When we strike two metals, it produces sound. But when we strike to wood or plastic, it does not produce any sonorous sound. So metal produces sonorous sound. Metals are ductile. Ductile means when we drawn the metals, it drawn into wire. When we stretch metals, it drawn into wire. That's why jeweler can easily make the jewelry. On stretching, it draw into wire. This property is called ductile. Malleable. Malleable means on beating or on hammerizing, metal can be flattened. It convert into thin sheet. On beating or on hammerizing, metal convert into thin sheet. This property is called malleability. So metals has malleable properties. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. That's why it is used for electricity like copper wire, aluminium wire. And that's why we use utensils, kitchen utensils for heating purpose. So these are the properties of metals. Now let's discuss about the properties of non-metals. Non-metals are not shiny. Non-metals may be hard or not hard, may be solid or not solid. It does not produces any sonorous sound. It is not ductile. Metals are non-malleable. Non-metals are not good conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metals are not malleable, not ductile, does not produce sonorous sound. They may be hard or not hard. Non-metals are dull in appearance, but non-metals shows brittle nature. Brittle means when we break any non-metal, it broke down into into small particles. Suppose we broke glass, it convert into small pieces, or chalk powder, or chalk convert into chalk powder. So brittle is the properties of non-metal. So in this way we can differentiate between metals and non-metals. Let's discuss the chemical properties of metals.